had a home buyer seminar today, I wanted to come to you all with the 10 commandments of home buying. So stay tuned. We're just going to talk a little bit about mortgages since I actually did something to my appearance today. Why not make a video? You know, I'm trying, guys. I'm probably going to record or post 2 videos at one time because I can't. I just am so busy. I'm so busy, guys. Telling you, the mortgage industry, crazy. All right, but it's very important that I come to you all with this because a lot of people do not know things that you should do and things that you should not do when you're trying to get a mortgage. So here are the 10 commandments of home buying. Commandment number 1, thou shalt not change jobs or become self-employed. All right, so I've had this happen before. It's happened to the best of us, right? You tell a buyer, hey, make sure that you don't change your job, make sure you don't make any changes, and then a couple of weeks before closing, you'll get that call from a processor, the good processors, I love them all, that, hey, I called to do a verification of employment on your buyer, and they said that they're no longer working there. They quit Friday. Or I called and, you know, just same story. And guess what? It's just not good. That can change your entire situation. We're pre-approving you based on the income provided. So if you make any changes in your job, it changes your status, right? So you have to make sure that you qualify with your new income. We have to see a new pay stub. It's just a hassle. Don't do it. Just thou shalt not. Commandment number 2, thou shalt not buy a car, a truck, or a van unless you plan to live in it, okay? Do not. These auto loans, they are high. They are ridiculous. So that is definitely going to have an impact on your debt to income ratio. Unless you want to live in that car, van, truck, don't do it while you're getting a mortgage. Thank you. Commandment number 3, thou shalt not use credit cards or let your payments fall behind. You all should know why that is a no-no. We can't do that. We can't. That changes your debt to income ratio. First of all, it will decrease your credit if your payments are behind. So that is just, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Thou shalt not spend money that you have saved for a down payment. Do we need to go any further? No, seriously, don't spend that money. So we do not know your final number until it's time. It's time for you to close. Here are the keys. So you want to leave yourself with wiggle room. Do not start buying furniture. Do not set up the moving truck, okay, until after. Look, I can't tell you what to do, but this is a don't. The 10 commandments, listen to it. Do not. Oh, number 5, I just said it. Don't buy furniture before you buy your house. Do not buy furniture. Now, this is a double negative. How can we expect for you to go out with a realtor, see the house of your dreams, your offer gets accepted, and now you're dreaming, thinking, eating, sleeping. This house is about to be mine. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. And you're telling me don't buy furniture? Don't buy furniture. It's just a rule. I don't make the rules. I just work here, okay? Don't do it. Wait until you close on your home before you buy furniture. That Amazon button, it's itching. I know you're itching to push that button and just say, okay, click, order. No. Sorry, I don't make the rules, but I'm letting you know, okay? Commandment number 6. Thou shalt not originate any new inquiries on your credit report. I can't tell you how many emails I get with processors saying, hey, can you please do a letter of explanation for these new inquiries or for these inquiries and inquiries. Look, once you get that pre-approval, do not apply for anything else that you cannot explain or that does not make sense, because that can affect your credit. It can affect your credit. And what are you thinking about doing? Just wait. We don't need inquiries, okay? Thank you. Commandment number 7. This is my favorite. Thou shalt not make any large deposits in your account. Guys, you're killing us. You're killing me, Smalls. Don't make any large deposits in your account. Look, once you give me your bank statements, that's it. Have conversations with me about anything that you are deciding to do when it pertains to your account. So many mortgage transactions fail because of large deposits, and the deposits cannot be explained. Guess what? I actually found out this week. Cryptocurrency, you cannot use cryptocurrency towards a home. If you don't know what cryptocurrency is, Bitcoin, all of those things, I actually just found that out. My sales manager had a situation and the person was trying to use cryptocurrency, and that's where we found out, hey, can't use it. So not only cash is not king in the mortgage industry. You cannot use cash. Mattress money, you cannot use mattress money. So make sure that you speak with your lender. That way they can let you know the do's and the don'ts and what not to do, and maybe they can give you advice. But you just can't make large deposits in your account. It's going to be a problem. Well, it's not going to be a problem, but you do have to verify all deposits, all large deposits in your account. Meaning, that might mean a copy of a check. Where did the money come from? We need to see where the money came from. It has to be a verifiable source. And you cannot source cash.
You cannot source cash. You cannot source cash.
It's a commandment. You can't do it. All right. Number 8, thou shalt not change bank accounts. Don't change bank accounts. We have to obtain your bank accounts. If you just don't do it. I mean, some things you don't really need to know the why, but as long as you know this is something that you should not do, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just don't change your bank accounts. Okay? Number 9. Thou shalt not co-sign for anyone. When you're getting a mortgage, don't co-sign for anyone. If Ray, Ashley, I don't know, whoever, your cousin, mom, sister, brother, auntie, when I close on my house, come back and visit me, we'll see. But when you're getting a mortgage, do not co-sign, because if you co-sign, that is going to have an impact on your debt to income ratio. And in most cases, many of you are right on the cusp. We don't have a lot of wiggle room for that house that you wanted, because you wanted to know what's the highest that I can get. So there's no room for error. We need to make sure that we're not co-signing for anyone while you're getting a mortgage. And number 10, I believe that this sums it all up. Commandment number 10, okay? Commandment number 10. Thou shalt not purchase anything until way after closing. We need to make sure that the ink is dried, the stamp is dried, it's been mailed away, everything. Because after closing, things can happen. I don't want to tell you about those things, but things can happen. And you just want to make sure that you are not completely putting yourself in a bad situation. So until way after closing, that is commandment number 10. Thou shalt not purchase anything until way after closing. I do not make these commandments, but I have to follow the rules. And I feel that it is important for you all to know what we know. If you want me to email you these commandments because you're like, I might forget this and I don't want to rewatch this video, let me know. Send me an email. I'll be happy to send you them. And committing any of these acts can dramatically alter your credit score or debt to income ratios, and can even block your chance of closing on your home purchase. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, American Financial Network. Yes, so again, these are the 10 commandments of obtaining a mortgage. 10 commandments of the mortgage industry. Don't do it, because when we are in these fires, usually we try to have these conversations in the beginning, but for some reason it never fails. We are faced with one of these situations here and there. And I wanted to make sure that I'm giving you all a fair chance at becoming a homeowner. Because as I say, becoming a homeowner is a lifestyle change. So thanks so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions about obtaining a mortgage, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to email you. You can see in the description box the states where I'm licensed, and if you are interested in a mortgage, I'll be happy to help you. Your Chic Mortgage Millennial, out.